So good morning. Today I'm going to discuss the industrial structure in USA. There are five industrial structure in USA, such as healthcare, technology, construction, retail, and non-durable manufacturing. Healthcare. The healthcare sector helped the US recover from the 2008 financial crisis. The sector added 2.8 million jobs between 2006 and 2016, which was nearly 7 times faster than the overall economy during the 10 years since 2008. The sector has grown jobs 20%, while the average rate for the economy was only 3%. So in some research, there's there are four reasons for the blooming of healthcare sector. First, an increasingly aging population in creating a need for additional services. Second, chronic conditions suffered by the aging population are increasing demand for healthcare workers. Third was medical advances and improvements are expanding the type and number of jobs available. And finally, federal healthcare insurance reform has increased the number of people seeking routine medical care. So next was the technology. The tech sector is a huge component of US economy. According to the Cyber States 2019, an annual analysis of the nation's industry published by the CompTIA, employment in computer and IT is projected to grow 11% from 2019 to 2029, faster than the average for all occupations. This has demand for additional workers in stemming from cloud computing, the collection and storage of big data and information security. The impact of technology industry has affected nearly every state, and according to the Cyber State 2019, the industry is ranked in the top 5 economic contributors in 23 states and in the top 10 of 28 states. So, technology plays a role in almost all other sectors such as healthcare, advanced manufacturing, transportation, education, and energy. The Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, autonomous vehicles, and augmented and virtual reality are all changing society and industry. As we can see nowadays, technology has a big role in our society. As I say, it has affected the healthcare, it makes advanced manufacturing, transportation. You can see in US they have a transportation. They have invented bullet trains so that they can have fast transportation. So now the construction. Construction has been a growth industry in all areas. This includes residential and non-residential builders, contractors, and civil engineers. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, construction and extraction occupation are projected to grow by 4% from 2019 to 2029, which is nearly as fast as the average for all occupation. The growth is in part being driven by population growth, which is increasing demand for new buildings, roads, and other structures. So construction spending hit an annual rate of 1.365 trillion during 2019, according to the data from the Census of Bureau. So in the retail trade occupation for 5.5% of the nation's GDP, providing 9.6 of total employment in the US, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The National Retail Federation or NRF notes that retail supports more than 1 in 4 jobs in US or 52 million working Americans because the sector employment rate has improved. Retailers have less of a need to hire seasonal workers. So the sector includes online retailers such as Amazon and eBay, as well as brick-and-mortar establishments. The NRF reported a 4.1 increase in retail holiday sales during November and December of 2019 compared to the same period in 2018. So, last, the non-durable manufacturing. Non-durable manufacturing industry produces commodities that are defined as having a lifespan of less than 3 years such as gasoline, electricity, and clothing. So the non-durable manufacturing is a predominant pillar in the US with a GDP value added that 4.8 of the national GDP according to the Federal Reserve. The non-durable manufacturing sector is less valuable than durable manufacturing. However, it employs more people and accounts for 4.4 million jobs compared to 349,000 jobs from durable manufacturing. So, these are the 5 industrial structure in USA. These 5 industrial structure in USA affect their economy, and this is how these 5 industrial structure affect their economy. Thank you.